5 YouTube channel ideas for summer 2025. Welcome to How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about the top 5 YouTube channel niche ideas on which if you work in this summer, you can gonna get the monetization in just 1 to 2 months only. So like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for get more videos like this. And don't even for a 1 month or 2 month, you can get in just 10 days, but you have to work on that. So let's talk about the 5 topics. Let's begin the video. First of all, I gonna share all the 5 topics over here, but I gonna talk about explained itinerary or travel or vlogging. You can share travel ideas. You can make vlogs of traveling, because people are free at home and they want to make travel. And the itinerary thing is great. The people just share how you can go anywhere, how much cost there will be charged, or you can how where you can dine or where you can stay. Just share this type of videos and enjoy. Now art and craft, peoples are free at home, and DIY home decor, peoples want to decor their house, they want to make their house looks good. And art and craft, now anyone can create art and craft things. Just they want to engage their peoples or kids on this garden and terrace farming. Yes, many people just want to garden at their house. They want to make their terrace as a kitchen garden, and you can share these type of ideas with them or using a video. Dance, singing, and kids content. Yes, now every kid is want to make dance, want to sing, and every kid want to have a content a lot of about their age. And now you can make content like that and enjoy. Now food and summer recipes. Yes, many people in summers want to drink cold drinks and ice creams and anything. Like, if work on the summers, you can make videos on about recipes and foods, and you can enjoy. You can even share food ideas for summers, or any cities. Go to the city and show ice cream, cold drinks, and juice, and etc. So you can do this like these type of things. So these were the top 5 ideas that may work on this summer. You can create content and YouTube channel on them. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day. Bye bye.